language, Flora was a goddess of flowers and plants. In the Roman mythology, she was the goddess of fertility, and so the plant kingdom came to be known as Flora. Flora is the name given to the collective plant life that grows or once grew in a certain area or during a given time period. It usually refers to the native plant life present but does include new species that have been introduced as well. What exactly is a flower? What it's for? Plants make flower because flowers make seeds. Seeds are a way many plants to reproduce or make a new plants. So, flowers help plants to reproduce themselves. Flowers also makes fruits as part of the reproduction process. Once the seeds start to ripen, a part of the flower grows around them. This is what fruits is. Fruits feeds, protects, and help to spread a plant's seeds. So, the next time we eat an apple or pear or peach, think about this. What we're eating came from a flower. In fact, without flowers, there would be no fruit at all. In occasion and events, people prize flowers for their beauty. We paint pictures of them and use them for decorations. We give them a sign of friendship, love, or just a remembrance. Some flowers are important in religious ceremonies, others are considered sacred by some groups. Lavender is used to make a perfume. Cosmetics. Witch hazel flower is used in cosmetics. For medicinal purposes, a flower called the rosy periwinkle is used to make medicine to fight leukemia. Yes, some people add flower petals to salad. Roses are used to make tea or jelly. Dandelions can be used in wine. Some flowers are edibles. Like other animals, people even eat some kinds of flowers. You probably have broccoli and cauliflowers or flowers that haven't quite opened yet. Giant redwood trees. This kind of tree is considered as the largest and tallest on Earth. In fact, one specimen registered well above 350 feet tall. Giant redwood trees are native to the north coast of California. Foliae. This beautiful and uniquely shaped flower is from Papilio foliae, a species from a plant in the Orchidaceae family. It is native to the beautiful island of Palawan, Philippines as the last frontier. Genus Rafflesia. Although Rafflesias can be found in various forests in Southeast Asia, this particular species is the world's largest and endemic. It has a foul-smelling flower and is pollinated by carrion flies. Rafflesia manilania. Plants prevent soil erosion and desertification. Plants provide the raw materials for food, clothing, medicine, construction, and many other products that sustain our lives. Plants enhance our quality of life. They add variety and beauty to our surroundings. Plants help to shape our culture and provide inspiration for writers, artists, and poets. They are steeped in history and folklore and illuminate significant life events like birth, marriage, and death. Plants harvest sunlight and are the primary producer of the energy in all food chains. Plant communities or vegetation are the structural basis of the ecosystem in which we all live. They maintain the physical and chemical integrity of those ecosystems. The trade in ornamental plants and tree forms a major part of the world economy. Plants are an important part of our heritage that we must not deny to future generations. Plants are precious resource requiring effective, wise, and sustainable management. The genetic diversity between and within plant species is being eroded each year. The natural processes of plants protect our planet and supply the air we breathe and the water we drink. Law that protect wild flora. Republic Act 19147, July 30, 2001, Conservation and Protection of Wildlife Resources. Section 6, Wildlife Information. Section 7, Collection of Wildlife. Section 8, Possession of Wildlife. Section 9, Collection and or possession by products and derivatives. Section 10, Local Transport of Wildlife by products and derivatives. Section 11, Exportation or importation of wildlife. Section 12, Introduction, reintroduction, or restocking of endemic or indigenous wildlife. Section 13, Introduction of exotic wildlife. Section 14, Bioprospecting. Section 15, Scientific researches on wildlife. Section 16, Biosafety. Section 17, Commercial breeding or propagation of wildlife resources. Section 18, Economically important species. Section 19, Designation of management and scientific authorities for international trade in endangered species of wild flora and fauna. Section 20, Authority of the Secretary to the issues permit, and Section 21, Fees and charges.